Jessie, can you get your toys? Aww. Can you get your toys, baby? Oh. You like that, baby? Oh. Come on, baby. You can do it. Mm-hmm. Where are you going? Hey. Come on, baby. Ooh, wow, great job. Great job, handsome. Ooh. Oh. Jessie. Jessie. Jessie, come here. Oh no, not that one, baby. Jessie. Hey. Jessie boy. Hey. Hey, handsome. Where are you going? Hey, handsome. Come to mommy. Hi. Ooh, ooh. This ang likot. Hoy. Oh, split ka na? Oh. What's that, hon? What's that, baby? What kind of sitting position is that? Oh, 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 oh. Mag-split ka na? Yes. Are you going to be a gymnast or a ballet dancer? Oops. Hey, baby. Come on. Not facing the camera. Oh, anak. Anak naman eh. Yes. Jessie. Hey. Jess. Jessie. Hey, baby. Ooh. Oh, you going to Lola? Oops. Oops. Hi, baby. Hi. Come to Lola. Come on. Go to Lola. Come to Lola. Come to Lola. Come to Lola. Come to Lola, baby. Alright, come on, baby. Come. You can do it. Come to Lola. Come here. Great job. Come, baby. Come here. Are you tired na? Tired na yan. Oh, oh. Hey, baby. Don't try to stand up yet. You're gonna fall. Oh. Oh. What are you trying to do? Alright. Alright. Great job. Ooh. Great job, baby. You like that frog? Tita Irene made that for you, baby. Ooh. Okay. You tired now? Okay. Handsome. Yoo-hoo. Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo. Yoo-hoo. Oops, careful, baby. You might hit your head. Careful. Careful, anak, okay? Daddy will be mad at me if you hit your head. Bye-bye. Are you trying to grab that now? Whoops.